We are outside again this week, this time doing jumps again, but we're expanding. Now, as I've said previously, dancing on concrete is vastly different than dancing on a sprung floor. And especially when you are doing jumps, you should be dancing on a sprung floor. But again, to have a change in scenery and a bit more space, I wanted to take this outside so you can see a bit more of the traveling that is happening. This week we are going to be working on a bit more of our stag jumps or stag leaps. We're going to work on hitch kicks, some C jumps. We're going to talk about jumping and turning. And then we're going to talk about some different ways you can practice getting into each of those and things to keep in mind. I will see you tomorrow as we talk about those stag leaps. I will see you then.